Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word document, making it easy to edit and work with your PDF content. Here's our PDF file. If we open it, you can see it contains both text and images. To convert this PDF into a Word document, start by opening Microsoft Word. Click on Open and locate the PDF file you want to convert. Select the file, then click Open. A pop-up will appear, informing you that Word will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK. Now, the PDF file has been successfully converted into a Word document. To save it, click on File, then select Save As. Choose the location where you'd like to save your new Word file, enter a name, and ensure that the Save As type is set to Word Document. Finally, click Save. If we go back to the desktop, you'll see the newly converted Word file. Click to open it, and there it is. That's how you convert a PDF to Word. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and updates.